Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to purchase a budget for text messages. To start, ensure you are in the text messages feature. Now, click on Top Up. Choose your preferred text message plan we offer, or select a custom amount. Each option shows you an estimate of how many messages you'll receive. For this example, let's select a plan. Here you'll see an estimate of your updated balance. Now your purchase is complete and you can reach employees off shift with text messages through Connecteam. Find your purchase history. Here you'll see details of each purchase, including who bought the credits, when and where they were used, and the amount spent. Use the date range at the top to view specific periods. You can view each purchase here and download its invoice. Hit the export button to download your entire purchase history for a complete record. Thank you for joining us. For further assistance, feel free to use our Help Center anytime.